Hello friends, in the previous video we have seen all the algebraic rules of limit. In this video I am going to cover two more examples on how to find limit algebraically. So here you can see this function square root 1 plus x cube minus square root 1 minus x cube whole divided by x square. We want to find its limit as the variable x approaches 0. So if we substitute x is equal to 0, what happens? If we substitute x is equal to 0, the denominator becomes 0. And if the denominator is 0, then the whole term is not defined. So if we can get rid of this x square in the denominator, then we are done. Okay, so let us simplify it further and let us see what happens to the x square in the denominator. So this is equal to limit x approaches 0. To simplify this, we need to multiply numerator and denominator both by the conjugate of the square root 1 plus x cube minus square root 1 minus x cube. So let us keep 1 plus x cube minus square root 1 minus x cube whole divided by x square as it is, and multiply numerator and denominator by its conjugate. So square root 1 plus x cube plus square root 1 minus x cube whole divided by square root 1 plus x cube plus square root 1 minus x cube. Okay, so now in the numerator you can see that this is of the form a minus b into a plus b, where a is equal to square root 1 plus x cube and b is equal to square root 1 minus x cube. So we can write limit x approaches 0. This is square root 1 plus x cube minus square root 1 minus x cube whole square. Here we have used the formula a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. In the denominator, we will have x square in the bracket 1 plus x cube plus square root 1 minus x cube. So now this will be equal to limit x approaches 0. Square and square root gets cancels in the numerator for both the terms. So we will have 1 plus x cube minus 1 minus x cube whole divided by x square into bracket 1 plus x cube plus square root 1 minus x cube. Okay, so this is equal to limit x approaches 0. Now 1 and negative 1 gets cancels, and x cube minus x cube will be x cube plus x cube. So this is equal to 2x cube whole divided by x square into bracket square root 1 plus x cube plus square root 1 minus x cube. Now you can see that x square in the denominator and x square in the numerator gets cancels. So we have limit x approaches 0, 2x divided by square root 1 plus x cube plus square root 1 minus x cube. Now you can see that if we substitute x is equal to 0, we will not get 0 in the denominator because x square is already removed in the denominator. So this is, let me remove this. Okay, let us substitute x is equal to 0 into this function. So 2 into 0 whole divided by square root 1 plus 0 plus square root 1 minus 0. Now in the numerator we will have 2 into 0 is 0 and 0 upon anything is 0. So our limit is 0. Okay. Now let us see one more example on finding limit algebraically. So this is limit 8x minus 3 over 2x minus 1 minus 4x square plus 1 divided by 4x square minus 1. Let us find the limit as x approaches 1 over 2. If we substitute x is equal to 1 over 2 directly, the denominator of both the terms gets 0. It becomes equal to 0. So we cannot substitute x is equal to 1 over 2 directly into the function. So let us simplify it and see what happens next. Okay. So limit x approaches 1 over 2. Let us keep 8x minus 3 divided by 2x minus 1 minus 4x square plus 1 as it is. And 4x square minus 1 is of the form a square minus b square. So its factor would be a minus b into a plus b. So this is 2x minus 1 into 2x plus 1. Now we need to find out the common denominator. So this is limit x approaches 1 over 2. Common denominator is 2x minus 1 into 2x plus 1. Now in the first rational expression, we have 2x minus 1 in the denominator. We don't have 2x plus 1. So we have to multiply numerator by the 2x plus 1. Minus, in the second rational expression, we have 2x minus 1 and 2x plus 1 both factors in the denominator. So there is no need to multiply by any expression in the numerator. So this is 4x square plus 1. Don't forget to write 4x square plus 1 into the bracket because there is a negative sign in front of it. So now let us simplify this. So this is limit x approaches 1 over 2. 8x into 2x is 16x square plus 8x into 1 is 8x minus 3 into 2x is minus 6x and minus 3 plus 1 is minus 3. And this is minus 4x square minus into plus 1 is negative 1 whole divided by 2x minus 1 into 2x plus 1. Now let us simplify the numerator. So 16x square minus 4x square is 12x square. 8x minus 6x is 2x. And negative 3, negative 1 is negative 4. So, and let us keep the denominator as it is. So actually our goal is to get rid of the factor 2x minus 1 in the denominator because for 2x minus 1 we are getting 0 if we substitute x is equal to 1 over 2 in the denominator. So if we can get rid of 2x minus 1 from the denominator, we are done. Okay. So let us find the factors in the numerator. So this is x approaches 1 over 2. And we can factor out 2 from all the three terms in the numerator. So this is 2 into 6x square plus x minus 2 whole divided by 2x minus 1 into 2x plus 1. Okay. And now we need to find the factors of the quadratic expression 6x square plus x minus 2. So let us keep 2 as it is, 6x square also as it is. Instead of x, we can write 4x minus 3x. So this is 4x minus 3x minus 2. whole divided by 2x minus 1 into 2x plus 1 as it is. So this is limit x approaches 1 over 2 as it is. We can factor out 2x from the first two terms in the numerator. So this is 2x. Inside the bracket we will have 3x plus 2 minus, we can factor out minus 1 from the last two terms in the numerator. So minus 1 into 3x plus 2 whole divided by, let us keep the denominator as it is. So 2x minus 1 into 2x plus 1. Okay. So limit x approaches 1 over 2. Let us keep 2 as it is. Inside the bracket, we can factor out 3x plus 2. So this is 3x plus 2. And in the another bracket, we will have 2x minus 1. Whole divided by 2x minus 1 into 2x plus 1. Now you can see that we can cancel out the factor 2x minus 1 from the denominator and from the numerator. So now if we put x is equal to 1 over 2, we will not get 0 in the denominator. So let us put x is equal to 1 over 2 in the whole expression. So we will have 2 inside the bracket 3 times 1 over 2 plus 2 whole divided by 2 into 1 over 2 plus 1. So this will be equal to, let us multiply this 2 inside this bracket in the numerator. So 2 times 3 into 1 over 2, 2 and 2 will gets cancelled. Sorry for this pop-up. Okay. So 2 times 3 over 2 is 3 plus 2 times 2 is 4 whole divided by 2 and 2 from the denominator gets cancelled, so we will have 1 plus 1 in the denominator. So this is equal to 3 plus 4 is 7 and in the denominator 1 plus 1 is 2. So our limit is 7 over 2. Hope this will help you how to find the limits algebraically. See you soon in the next video. In the next video, I am going to cover how to find a limit algebraically of a piecewise function. See you soon. Bye.